Hey everyone, welcome back to English Made Simple, the place where English feels easy, natural, and fun. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Alex. Thanks for joining us today, guys.
Alex, before we start, quick question.
Uh-oh, that usually means trouble.
What's the most confusing part of English for you?
Easy. Phrasal verbs.
Same.
Seriously, why does English do this? One verb alone makes sense. Then suddenly you add one tiny word and everything changes.
Exactly. Like give is simple, but give up, totally different meaning.
And don't even get me started on pick up. That phrasal verb has like 47 meanings.
Honestly, true.
But don't worry, guys. Today isn't going to feel like a grammar lesson.
Nope, no boring lists, no memorizing.
We're just going to talk naturally, like real people do every day.
And while listening, you'll start picking up these phrasal verbs naturally.
See what you did there? Picking up.
I had to.
So guys, pick up can mean to learn something naturally without studying too hard.
Like when I lived in Spain, I picked up a little Spanish just from daily conversations.
And hopefully today, you'll pick up some new English expressions too.
Okay, Alex, tell everyone what happened to you yesterday morning because honestly, it was a disaster.
It really was.
You literally sounded stressed in your voice message.
Because I woke up late.
Again?
Okay, wow, no support at all.
Continue.
So I woke up late, jumped out of bed, and tried to figure out what to wear in like 2 minutes.
Figure out, meaning find a solution to a problem.
Exactly. Then I started looking for my jacket.
Which was
Under the sofa.
classic Alex behavior.
Listen, my apartment was not helping me yesterday. Anyway, I put on my jacket, picked up my bag, and ran outside.
Okay, quick recap, guys. Look for means search for something. Put on means wear clothing. And pick up here means grab or take something quickly.
See, this is why Sarah is the organized one here.
Somebody has to be.
So I got to the bus stop and waited forever. After 20 minutes, I almost gave up and called a taxi.
Give up means stop trying.
But then I told myself, no, Alex, carry on, keep on waiting.
Those both mean continue.
Very motivational moment, honestly.
You acting motivational at 8 a.m. feels illegal.
I was desperate.
Fair enough.
So eventually the bus came, I got on, sat down, and started trying to work out why my mornings are always chaotic.
Workout here means think about something and find an answer.
But also exercise.
English loves confusing people.
Seriously.
1 minute you're working out a math problem, next minute you're working out at the gym.
And somehow both are exhausting. Then after work, I went out with some friends and we hung out at this tiny coffee shop near my apartment.
Hang out is such a useful everyday expression.
Yeah, because it's not formal. It just means relaxing and spending time with people.
Honestly, my favorite type of social activity.
Same, no pressure, just coffee and conversation.
Unless you run out of coffee.
Which is a real emergency.
100%.
Speaking of that, last week, I actually ran out of coffee at home.
Oh no.
Worst morning of my life.
Relax, Drama King.
Sarah, I was fighting for survival.
Sure you were.
Anyway, guys, run out of means you have no more of something.
We run out of time, energy, money, and apparently, Alex runs out of emotional stability without coffee.
Accurate. Okay, Sarah, your turn. Tell them about the cat situation.
Oh no.
Yes, tell the story.
So, my friend asked me to look after her cat for the weekend.
Look after means take care of someone or something.
Everything was fine at first, until the cat disappeared.
You forgot that part.
For 2 hours.
She called me, sounding completely panicked.
Because I thought the cat escaped.
And where was it?
Sleeping inside a box.
Meanwhile, Sarah was emotionally preparing posters saying, "Missing cat."
It was traumatic, okay? But honestly, this is why phrasal verbs matter. Native speakers use them constantly.
Everywhere. At work, with friends, in movies, podcasts.
Even in super normal conversations.
So don't try to memorize 500 phrasal verbs at once.
Just listen, notice them, and slowly start using them naturally.
Exactly. One at a time.
And don't give up.
Keep on going.
See? You're learning already.
If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to English Made Simple, and share this with a friend learning English.
And comment your favorite phrasal verb below.
Thanks for hanging out with us today, guys.
Take care of yourselves.
And we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.